I'm back. And this time... Yeah, what he said. Do you want a banana chip? Yeah, look, have this. Okay, well. Yes, we've got 3 major topics I want to work on. I want to do some hardware stuff, like fixing a controller, modifying my 3D printer, making a synthesizer with a Teensy board, as well as whatever else I think of doing at the time. I'm going to do some software stuff, mostly with GameMaker, like how to make a 3D game in GameMaker, how to cast shadows in a 3D game in GameMaker, and common issues with transparency in a 3D environment, which is going to be in a GameMaker environment, but it can be applied to basically any 3D system. I'll basically be making whatever I feel like, but I'll have some sort of vague schedule going on. I'm going to be doing some other stuff too. For example, I kind of want to stream, I kind of want to play some games and stuff. Yeah, is that it? Okay, thank you, bye. Love you, TM.